We all live a stressful life in these difficult times, with Russia attacking Ukraine, and rising gas prices. All of these stressors affect our body, mind, and soul. It is easy to lose sight of the most important things in life, including our family. Many of us fall into depression, and lose our self-esteem. Quiz, you may be at risk of developing the condition. The sooner you recognize the signs of binge eating, the easier it is to overcome. If you are becoming more prone to binge eating, consult a doctor or therapist. If your answers are yes, it is good to seek treatment immediately. If the disorder is severe, you should see a doctor or therapist as soon as possible. The Binge Disorder Quiz is not a diagnostic tool, and is not meant to be used to diagnose you. You may want to seek medical attention. Although these tests can be helpful, they are not a substitute for a physician's diagnosis, so don't ignore your physician's advice. A binge disorder quiz is similar to an inventory, and it looks for thoughts, emotions, or behaviors that match the typical signs of the disorder. If you answer yes to any of the questions, you're most likely suffering from a binge eating disorder. The average age for binge eating disorder is around 18 years old. While the symptoms of this disorder can vary, it is most common in young people. However, a binge disorder quiz can help you identify the signs of binge eating illness, and begin treatment. If your results are positive, your doctor will refer you to a qualified psychiatrist or psychologist to address your concerns. They may prescribe a cognitive behavioral therapy program or antidepressants to treat BED. When you're dealing with binge eating disorder, you'll be glad to know that it's treatable. The condition is not life-threatening, but its symptoms can be devastating. Treatment for binge eating disorder can help you recover and have a healthy relationship with food. Dialectical behavior therapy can help you learn how to regulate your emotions and tolerate stress, and develop coping strategies that prevent binge eating. Additionally, antidepressants can help you cope with stress and control your emotions, which may help reduce your need to binge.